Today we will read some concepts of quadratic equation and then we will solve some previous year questions. A quadratic equation in standard form is written as ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0. Why a is not equal to 0? If a is equal to 0, then this will make this quadratic equation a linear equation, which will be bx plus c. This is a linear equation. Linear equation means the variable has the highest power as 1, and for quadratic equation the highest power of the variable is 2. And the linear equation we have studied in class 9, in which we found only one solution of the linear equation. Linear equation has only one solution, whereas the quadratic equation has two solutions or two roots. What is roots? Roots are the values of the variable for which the equation is satisfied. For example, to understand the roots, for example, we are taking x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is a quadratic equation because if you will compare, we can write it as a into x square if c plus b into x plus c is equal to 0. If you will see here, the coefficient is 1, a is equal to 1, b is minus 5, c is equal to 6. So it is a quadratic equation because a is not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. Always you take a, b, c, they are real numbers. So for this quadratic equation, if we will take x is equal to 2, suppose, then we will find this is for this equation x square plus 5x plus 6, that is this equation is x square plus 5x plus minus 5x plus 6. Equation is x square minus 5x plus 6 will be equal to 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 6, which is actually equal to 0. You see, that is 4 minus 10 plus 6, which is equal to 0. So x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. It is satisfied. So x is equal to 2 is the root of this quadratic equation. Similarly, if we will take for x is equal to 3, we can write this as 3 square x square, that is 3 square minus 5 into 3 plus 6, it is also equal to 0 because 9 plus 6 is 15 and 5 into 3 is also 15. 15 minus 15 will be cancelled out, it is equal to 0. So these are the roots of the equation. So from this concept we will solve some problems, some simple problems from the previous years. First question is, it is given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 3. If x plus 1 by x is equal to 3, we can simplify this as taking x as LCM, we will get x square plus 1 by x is equal to 3. Or we can write this as x square plus 1 is equal to 3x, or x square plus minus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. If we will compare with the ax square plus bx plus x square plus bx plus c, then we will see this is ax square plus bx plus c. So here coefficient is 1, so we will get a is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 3 and c is equal to 1. So we will get here a minus b plus c as 1 minus of minus is plus 3 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So the option A is the answer for this case. Now for the second question, if x is equal to 3 is one root of the quadratic equation, now you put for x is equal to 3, put the value of x in the equation. So you will get 3 square minus 2 times k into 3 minus 6 equal to 0. This implies 9 minus 6k minus 6 is equal to 0. So we will get 6k is equal to 3, or k will be 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. Now for the third question, if you will see, if x is equal to 5 is a solution of this quadratic equation, that means for x is equal to 5, if we will put the value of 5 here, it will satisfy the equation. Here we have discussed same thing. For x is equal to 2, if x is equal to 2 is a root, or x is equal to 3 is a root, then we have to put the value of x in the equation. These are the roots. If we put these values in the equation, then it will satisfy. Similarly, here if x is equal to 5 is the root or solution of the equation. So we put x is equal to 5. So 2 into 5 square plus k minus 1 into 5 plus 10 equal to 0, or 50 plus 10 plus k minus 1 into 5 is equal to 0, or k minus 1 into 5 will be equal to minus 60, or we will write k minus 1 will be equal to minus 60 by 5, which is minus 12. This implies k is equal to minus 12 plus 1, that is minus 11. It is in option B. And come to the question number 4. Which of the following question is a quadratic equation? You see, for the first case, if we will simplify it, we will get x square plus 1, which is equal to x square minus 2x plus 1. X square 1 will be cancelled out. So we will get here 2x is equal to 0. Minus 2x is equal to 0, or 2x is equal to 0. This is a linear equation. This is not a quadratic. Similarly, for option B, if you will see, it is x square plus x plus 2x into root x is equal to 2x into root x. Here this 2x into root x, 2x into root x will be cancelled out, and we will get x square plus x is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation now. And for the third one, if you will see, just simplify it. X cube plus 3x square will be equal to x cube plus 3x square a plus b whole cube, that is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3x plus 1. So x cube 3x square will be cancelled out, and we will get 3x plus 1 equal to 0. This is a linear equation also. Similarly, only we have already got that B part is correct, which is a quadratic equation. Just for satisfaction, we are trying. X plus 1 into x minus 1 is x square minus 1 is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. This implies 2x plus 2 equal to 0, or x plus 1 equal to 0. This is all linear equation. So option B is correct. And for question number 5, here just simplify this one. You see, you read the question and you simplify it. We will get x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to x cube plus 1, and x cube plus x cube will be cancelled out, and we will have the equation now 3x square plus 3x is equal to 0. Now we have to compare it with px square plus qx plus r equal to 0. Now you write it 3, here it is 3 and here it is 0. So we will write 3x square plus 3x plus 0 equal to 0. So p is equal to 3 here, q is equal to 3 also, and r is equal to 0. So the value of p minus q plus r will be equal to 3 minus 3 plus 0, which is equal to 0. So the answer is 0 here. And we will see the factorization method in the next class. Thank you.